Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain stashing in VS Code. Stashing is a powerful Git feature that lets you temporarily save changes you're not ready to commit. This is incredibly useful when you need to switch branches or pull updates without losing your current work. It effectively cleans your working directory, allowing you to focus on other tasks. We'll cover how to create, manage, and apply stashes directly within VS Code, making your development workflow much smoother and more efficient. Creating a stash in VS Code is straightforward. Navigate to the source control view, where you'll find options to stash your changes. You can choose to include untracked files or just the tracked ones. Giving your stash a descriptive name is a good practice, as it helps you remember its purpose later. Once stashed, you can easily view all your saved stashes in the dedicated Git Stashes section, providing a clear overview of your suspended work. When you're ready to resume your work, applying a stash brings your saved changes back into your working directory. VS Code offers options to apply a stash and either keep it in your list or drop it immediately. If you drop it, the stash is permanently removed, so be sure you no longer need those changes. This flexibility allows you to manage your temporary work effectively, ensuring your codebase remains clean and organized as you move between tasks. Sometimes, applying a stash can lead to conflicts, especially if the underlying branch has changed significantly. VS Code provides tools to help you resolve these conflicts, just like with a regular merge. For best practices, try to stash smaller related changes rather than large, complex ones. This makes applying and resolving conflicts much easier. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to enhance your reading experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.